Alright, what's going on, guys? Jared here. So today I got a bright idea to make a video on...
Okay.
So most of you might be wondering what the fuck I'm sitting on right now. Well, let's give it a full review. What I got here is a Doodlebug Minibike. I believe this is Doodlebug Baja or something like that, I don't know. The thing's got a Predator 212 motor. Thing actually significantly hauls ass, to my surprise. I haven't done any modifications. It has stock air intake, stock exhaust, still has the governor on it. But it has no brake pads. The brake pads are gone. As a matter of fact, when I first got the damn thing, my friend Kyle was riding it, and he smashed off the ground, tried to pop a wheelie, and smashed the brake lever off. So that's rigged up with a bike brake lever. It probably has one of the fucking sickest paint jobs you can ever get on a bike. You got the old 69 and American flag, some Bud stickers. Nothing more you can ask for on that. The clutch is definitely starting to, something's wrong with it. It's scraping and squealing, but it still works, so we're gonna fucking send it as it is. Gonna probably order one in the next few weeks. So what are my plans for this bike? Probably just gonna, fix the clutch. I brought new brake pads. They're coming in the mail. Maybe a new paint job sometime in the future, but I think it's pretty good the way it is. Definitely gonna figure out some handle grips. I have handle grips, but they don't stick very well, so they're not very useful. Keep the motor. Maybe put an air intake. Pipe it up. Put a straight pipe on it. Take the governor off after I replace the clutch, because I don't want to take the governor off now with the clutch it has on it, because last thing I need is something going wrong while I'm doing like 30 or 40 on a fucking mini bike. The only thing I've done to it so far is, like I said, we fixed the brake lever. Here's the old brake lever. It's still attached because we can't get it off. And then we got the, we changed the oil. Other than that, threw some gas in it. This thing was $100 from one of Kyle's friends at work. I'd say it's a pretty solid $100 I ever spent. I don't live on a big plot of land. I just got a garage shack, decent yard space, but no like woods or trails or anything. So where the second part of this video is going to be is I'm going to clear some trails in the back of my yard, because I remember when I had my ATV a long time ago, there's a trail I had back here, and I'd doing little laps on the trail. Well, if I could take that trail, extend it and make it bigger, I'd have a decent sized trail to do some shenanigans on that mini bike. So my original plan was to do a trail behind my house, but actually trees have grown in there, and I don't have a chainsaw and I don't feel like hacking down trees. So one of the solutions is I have this random trail that runs on the side of my house. Now my neighbor's yard is right over there, but I plan on doing something like this. I'll remove this brush right here. Let's squeak our ways on up in here. We're going to come in between two trees, hack down some of these trees, clear it up a little bit, and here you just have a straight shot. So you get to this little two posts right here, basically two trees. You squeak your way through, whatever way you want, but then you can run up the trail, come out in my front yard, and we'll go from there. So after that long endeavor of chopping down branches and trees, finally got a path cleared out. Well, it's a little muddy, I'd say, a little covered in mud, but the main problem is the entrance to the trails. There's like a little ditch, and it's just filled with like clay mud. It's like super loose. I got sprayed in it because I kept fucking hacking away at it. But I'm gonna strap a camera to my helmet, or at least try and get a little video of this. Give it a first run, see what I have to chop down next. We'll go from there. Give her a little chokey poo. Sit and run. Oh, this trail's a lot more daunting when the closer you get to it. There's not that wide of an entrance. We're gonna fucking send it anyways. Oh, my ass is coated in mud. I can feel that. Shit, I forgot about that tree. Oh, that's fucking fun if I ever seen it. Oh, come on, don't go too early on me. God, this thing's a fucking chore to keep in control. Alright, we'll go for a few more passes. Looks a little muddy. Hopefully I don't eat shit this time. Give her another go. Oh yeah, look at that rut. Oh, Jesus. Whoa! Gave her the berries there. This is one of the dumbest fucking things I ever did with this trail, I think. It's fun though. I'll give it that. Oh, she looks squirrely. A little stucky. I gotta fucking clear this tree out. I'm making my own fucking path to this fucking point. Woo! The good thing is by using this trail, I'm not going to tear up my lawn. Like, this is leaving fence, and there's some other stuff over on the other side of it. This will just leave some trails in the grass. I can do all the off-roading I fucking want now. Let's try not to fucking eat shit again. Hell yeah! This tree thing's pretty fucking scary though. You come in too fast, man, you're gonna fucking bite it. This thing's something I gotta figure out too. Oh, almost beat that time. Ow, that's a clutch. That fucking thing's deadly, man, I'll tell you. Man, when it's not fucking muddy, this is so much fun. Alright, we'll go for one more rip and then we'll assess the damage on me. I know I'm coasting, but there's all kinds of shit stuck to the wheel. I think I might put some branches down there to pat it down and make a little revision there. I don't know. Or just keep the rut going. Oh, that works. See if we can clear this log. Oh, the throttle stuck. There's a branch in it. Alright. You don't like the tree. I didn't think you would either, though. I'm not really surprised. There's a little more. Yeah, that was a little more stationary. Alright. I can't tell if my camera's on, but we're gonna go for one more fucking pass. I think this rut thing's working. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, I remember that smell of burning mud. Alright, well, it's starting to make some noise. Not too fucking happy, I don't think. Woo!
think the last thing we gotta do, take her down the original trail. Yeah, just an FYI, that's not the same trail. I think I established that before, but most certainly it's not the same trail that I used to ride on. So. Oh, my ass is wet. Gotta get all the mud off. We'll let her cool off real quick. First, before we admire my little catastrophe here, let's admire my GoPro. Y'all seen my exhaust. It's rigged with Bud Light cans. Most of the stuff I have is rigged, but this takes the cake. This is my old S6 Active, which is a really good camera, and I got it for 60 bucks. Yeah, I got it for 60 bucks. I used it as a phone for a while, but then I got the S9, which I'm recording on now. Look, let's appreciate my ingenuity. 2 pieces of duct tape, one wrapped around and then one just to hold it together a little bit. Fucking sends it, man. Works good. Now as for the mini bike, she got thoroughly coated in mud. That is a nice little trail back there. I'm sure my ass is plastered in mud and oh yeah, I can feel that. Oh Jesus, that's disgusting. It feels like I shit myself. But other than that, I might send it a few more times just for fun. But I'll wrap this up. So I spared you a montage of cleaning the bike, but she's all washed off now. I think I drained her of gas because like she was just puttering her way up there. You know, pop, pop, pop. Pull it again. Pop, 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 pop. I'm like, all right. Clutch started making some funny ass noises. It was like probably because mud's getting stuck in there and everything. I was like screaming and there was some grinding, and then like I'd give it some gas and it just sounded, I don't know, it sounded rough. Definitely need a new clutch. Another thing I want to look into is one of the foot pegs on that thing is like bent up. I don't know if you could see it. Right, that foot peg right there is all bent up, and I'm a pretty big boy, so like I gotta fucking man spread my life to get on that thing and stay on it. So I'm gonna go get some more gas for her today, and then might send it a few more times, have some friends over, pop some wheelies, break some bones. Other than that, I think that's a wrap. I will bring an update about the mini bike and the trail, obviously. As you guys saw in the video, the trail is very mucky. So like, I had my legs out most of the time, trying not to slip my ass out and eat shit, so. But other than that, I think that's gonna be a wrap. Oh yeah, shout out to 3D Machines for the machine merch.